And here we have the ingredients for the ingredients to play. Mama, you help me?
Yes, I will help you. So what color do you want to make first?
This one.
Okay, the glow in the dark. So we got this from HPW and it's glow in the dark, right, little boy?
Yep.
Okay, what are we gonna do is we put the whole glue inside the
I hope.
the container. Okay, you do it.
I do it
And
because
this
I'm a
one
smarter.
is the activator. Okay, so
See?
you put this one here, here, and here. Oops, careful.
Okay. Come on. Whoa.
What are we gonna do next after putting all the glue here?
All this.
What are we gonna do with that?
Activator.
Activator?
Activator. You mix slime.
You mix it with the glue?
And also, that one as well. And we need these both.
You gonna mix it?
I know what it is already.
No, I think this one is the same. We need to put this one and this one together, right?
Yes, already.
Okay, you wait. Okay.
And also, guys, I have another slime. Guys, I have another slime actually.
What color is it?
I'll show you guys. You have to wait after I make this thing.
Okay, you pour all the glue inside the bottle.
That's all.
That's all? I think you need to wait it to drop down a little bit more. Yes. Okay. Okay. So we mix this one. Can you pour it or put it all?
Okay.
Gently, please.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is
Get this.
stir it together.
Okay. I'm gonna watch you on your own. Here we go. Here's our slime. Yeah. Such a... Oh, it kind of feel good, though it's not sticky. Sticky. And we need to get a... Now we just play with this thing. Let's get a check on this thing. Oh, something here. There you go. Hey, come on, mix it together. Look at this thing.
Surprise!
It's super cool. I can see it on my hand now. I can see my hand. Wow. That's it. And goodbye, guys. And you'll see number 2 of these. You will see part 3 or part 2. Check it out or find it or something. And goodbye. What's up? Goodbye.